Stop by and take a look at the 2024 Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, tires front all season, tires rear all season, privacy glass, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive, traction control. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.